Hey friends, Andy here. If you're anything like me, then only having one income stream or one income source is a little bit scary, especially when you think about the past year and a half. So maybe you're also like me and you want to have multiple income streams. I mean, wouldn't it be nice if losing one income stream meant that you didn't lose all of your income? The average millionaire, for example, has 7 income streams. Personally, me and my wife have built 13 income sources or streams. So how do you get started? What are some of the income streams that you can build? So in this video, I'm going to share all of our income streams and hopefully inspire you to create your own or give you some ideas for what is possible when it comes to income. But before we get started, there is one thing I need you to do, and that is click the like button. It's free for you, helps out my channel a ton, and in exchange, I'm going to give you a video chock full of value. So let's get started. This video is actually inspired by something I tweeted recently. I tweeted a tweet. When you tweet tweets. I tweeted a tweet. I put a tweet out there in the world. I tweeted that we have 13 income sources. It got some attention, so I figured I would walk you through what all of those are. Our number one income stream is our small business. For you, it might be your 9-to-5 job. Most people have at least one core income source, one core income stream, some kind of job or something they do somewhere where they take value that they provide, exchange it into the marketplace, and get back some cold hard cash.
What would you say you do here?
This is usually most people's biggest income source, but that doesn't mean it has to be your only income source. Now, we work for ourselves. Our business is us doing creative work for others, but really your number one income source could be anything related to your job. Everything after this is where it gets a bit more interesting. My second income source is our investments. It is absolutely paramount. It's crucial that you invest your money. Primarily, I invest our money in 2 places, the stock market and cryptocurrency. In the stock market, I'm a big advocate of index funds or ETFs, low cost funds that have stable returns over the years. But I also love great company stocks. And I think a lot of this comes down to where your personal convictions are and what you're interested in. On top of that, I invest in cryptocurrency with most of our money going towards Bitcoin. If you follow me on Twitter, then you'll know that my Bitcoin investment over the past 4 or so years has done very well for us, outperforming just about every other investment and asset on our list. So how is this an income source? Well, it's an income source because it increases our net worth. These assets go up in value, and that's real nice. And as it goes up in value, we're worth more, which gives us a bigger pool to draw from one day in the future when we decide to start using these as a direct income source, when we start selling our stocks and converting it to income. But also some of our stocks pay us dividends, and this is a whole strategy in and of itself that people dedicate their portfolios to. I'm personally not big into dividend stocks, but there are literally stocks you can invest in that pay you out a dividend, that pay you out regularly, and instead of just getting the appreciation from the stock, it actually pays you money directly, which you can choose to reinvest or pocket, pay the taxes on, but then pocket and spend. My next income source is where you're watching this video. Hello, it's my YouTube channel. So I started this YouTube channel a year ago, June of 2020. So I've had just over 1 year here on YouTube. And if you've watched the video that's right up there, you will see that I am officially monetized and making money with my channel. Now, this is a long-term play, like investing or anything else. The first 6 months of my channel, I made basically $0. However, because of all that hard work and dedication and grinding out videos week after week, it has now paid off in these 6 months in the year of 2021, which is our current year, in case you didn't know that. My channel is making money. How much money, you might ask? Well, a little over $24,000 is how much my channel has made in 2021. Not bad for something I started on the side that's just a hobby. Now, while we're talking about YouTube, my next income source is YouTube. This is not my only YouTube channel. Now, this YouTube channel is just me. It's mine and only mine, but I have a second channel that I started with my friend Jonathan. Some of you might have come from that channel to this one. It's called Burger Fiction. It's a cinema channel. We do supercuts and movie reviews and video essays and anything related to movies we've talked about. We started that channel in 2015, and to date in ADSENSE on YouTube, it has made over $37,000. Now, for both of these channels, which I do consider separate income sources because because one's with my friend and one's on my own, and they're totally different topics and niches. There are a bunch of ways you can monetize YouTube. The number one way most people monetize YouTube is with ADSENSE. Ads are run on their videos by YouTube. YouTube gives them a kickback for running those ads. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program and start making that money. But that's not the only way you can monetize your channel. For my channel, most of my money is made with affiliate links. Affiliate links are where you have a product, service, etc., an account, whatever it is out there in the wide world that is available to you. And they have a program where if you refer other people to that service or product or whatever it is, they will pay you a little bit of a commission for bringing them that business. And oftentimes, a lot of the ones I use on my channel, both the person signing up and the person who has the link both get paid money. It's a win-win-win.
Win-win-win.
And so, while talking about affiliates, let's move on to my next income source, which is affiliates. Now, why am I saying this is a separate stream? Well, because this expands to more than just my YouTube channel. Some of you might follow me on Twitter. Well, I've built a bit of a following over on Twitter as well as on YouTube, and I do affiliate marketing there and on my YouTube channel. So this income stream spans all my social platforms of choice, and so far in the past year of building those different channels or accounts on Twitter and YouTube, I've made over $15,000 with affiliate marketing. If you're curious how to build a successful Twitter account and monetize it, watch that video right up there. And all that talk of YouTube and Twitter rolls right into my next income stream, which is consulting. So in the past year of building these different accounts, I've learned that other people are also interested in doing this. And some people haven't had quite as much success as I have. And as I've built these different channels and accounts, other people want to know how I did that. Maybe they haven't figured out the strategies I have to grow in the way that I have. Maybe they just don't know what direction or what niche to commit to. Well, I've had lots of people request to chat with me about how to build a YouTube channel, because not only have I built this one in the past year, and I would call it a success, but I've built the one before that. And in the past 6 months, I've built my Twitter account from 0 to over 14,000 or something followers now. So I started doing some consulting where I offer a service where people can video chat with me and ask me any number of questions about how to grow on YouTube, and I can help them build an action plan to grow their channel. And this is a great one because consulting can be anything. Maybe you've got a skill in SEO or making websites or fitness coaching, I don't know. Fill in the blank. It's you, not me. It can be any number of things that you help other people with, and in exchange, they pay you for your time. And there's no need to do it in person because of the wonders of the internet. You can just hop in front of a camera and chat with anyone, anywhere. All right, my next few income sources are all about crypto. So my first one is cryptocurrency mining and running crypto nodes. Over the past several years, I have made a decent investment in gear for mining cryptocurrency. This is both dedicated mining machines and GPU mining rigs. These machines run 24/7, making computations, crunching the numbers, doing math, and as a result for doing that work, they spit out cryptocurrency into my wallet, making me money while I sleep. And on top of that, in a very similar way, I run crypto nodes, which instead of using mining rigs to find new coins, make new coins, secure the network, you run servers in the cloud up there in, you know, space. The cloud is not in space. It's here on Earth. But instead of running mining rigs, you run these nodes on servers online. We're helping secure those networks for doing any number of tasks, for helping with transactions, etc. You get rewarded and paid. So between my crypto mining rigs and my crypto nodes, I make anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 every single month, and it's almost completely hands off. And on that topic, would you like to see a video on that? Do you want me to go more in depth about how I do that and how you can do it too? If so, let me know down in the comments if that's something that interests you. Another income stream is one that my wife does, which is Twitch streaming. If you're not familiar with Twitch, it is a website where people live stream themselves playing video games, playing music, just walking around, chatting with people, whatever, you fill in the blank. For the past few years, my wife has been playing piano on Twitch. She live streams herself practicing and playing pianos, taking requests. She gets paid through Twitch subscriptions, through people doing requests, or people who are giving her tips. Just like YouTube, this one kind of has unlimited possibilities, so it's anything that you happen to be interested in is something you can probably do on Twitch. Our next income source is flipping things. If you love going to thrift stores, garage sales, yard sales, flea markets, whatever, digging through dumpsters, I don't know, no judgment from me, and you like finding cool things and then turning around and selling them to other people, then you're gonna love flipping.
I'm the mother flippin'.
My wife does most of this. She goes to all the above places. She finds mainly clothes and shoes and stuff like that. She brings it home, washes, cleans, takes pretty pictures of them, and then sells them on places like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, etc. And what I love about flipping is there is like zero barrier to entry. So if you're just looking for a quick and easy income source, flipping is great. Go on Craigslist, find something that maybe needs a little work, maybe needs to be cleaned up or fixed, buy it cheap, or even get it for free, bring it home, fix it, clean it, turn around and sell it to somebody else. Our next two income streams I'm going to lump together because they're kind of the same thing, but I consider them separate ones because one is one I do and the other is one that my wife does. And that's freelancing and contract work. My wife does contract work for a company doing social media posts for them. If you're any good at Twitter or Instagram or TikTok or fill in the blank, then there's probably a company out there that's not so good at it. And if that's the case, find that company, charge the money, and do it for them. On top of that, we also do random creative work, everything from photo to video stuff for people and companies on the side. Freelance and contract work is another one where really the sky's the limit. It's totally up to you, what your skills are, what you want to learn, and just whatever you can come up with to offer to people and companies. And the last and final income source is Airbnb rentals. This is a great one because if you have a spare room in your house, you have a second unit, you got a basement you fixed up, you got a trailer in the backyard, these are all things you can put on Airbnb and rent out to make some extra cash per month. In the past, we've rented our entire house out when we go on vacation or go visit family, but we've also built an Airbnb in our backyard in the form of a bus. This is another one where it's just up to your imagination. There's a million different ways you can do this. I am by no means a master of this. If you want a master, go check out my friend Rob Built's channel. Hey, Rob. He's got everything from Airstreams to A-frames to yurts that are all on Airbnb, and it's a fantastic business model. Okay, that wraps up all of my income streams, all 13 of them. I hope that you got some ideas out of this, or at least some inspiration to build more income streams yourself. Not relying on a single income stream is a great way to have some peace of mind. I think it's fantastic to make yourself resilient to where if you lose an income stream, it's no big deal. Who cares? I lost some income. No big deal, because I've got a bunch. So with that said, do you have multiple income streams? If so, let me know what they are down in the comments below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And also, please check me out on Twitter, where I post original content every single day. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.